P0068 code diagnosis. When your car has any problem, please connect your car to any scanner. MAP, MAF throttle position correlation. How to fix. Possible symptom: malfunction indicator light MIL active. Possible causes: mass airflow sensor G70, MAF, or intake manifold pressure sensor G71, MAP. Dirty or faulty throttle body. Vacuum leak. Possible solutions: check mass airflow sensor G70, MA, or intake manifold pressure sensor G71, MAP. Clean throttle body and perform throttle body alignment, TBA. Check intake system for leaks and unmetered air. This includes intake manifold runner S and intake manifold runner position sensor S when applicable. If this video is useful to you, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.